Sufficient, sufficient, sufficient. A large or adequate amount of quantity, more than enough.
Hi, look what I bought, so many paints.
Was it really required?
I actually need these for my doodling and painting and craft, so yes, I guess.
Please, but you already have so many at home. You have sufficient colors at home. Why don't you use them first?
Actually, you're right, I have enough paints at home. Okay, fine, I won't buy more, but I really like these, so these are really nice.
But you can use the ones that you already have
Yeah,
first.
from now I'll use the ones that I already have because I have sufficient, you're right.
Yes.
Let's use sufficient in a sentence now. Tina decided not to buy any more paint colors since she had sufficient paints lying at home.